This is a telomere, a simple strand of repeated DNA sequences. Situated at the end of the DNA, it codes for nothing. Then why do we need it? That's because telomeres act like aglets, the protective tips on shoelaces, but for chromosomes. During DNA replication, an enzyme comes out the middle of the DNA, while DNA polymerase follows, using each strand as a template to add nucleotides. However, DNA polymerase can't add nucleotides from nowhere. It requires RNA primers as a starting point. These are later replaced by more polymerase, which also has a limitation. It can only add in one direction. That means that on one side of the DNA, called the lagging strand, polymerase is continuously blocked by RNA primers. The last RNA primer on the lagging strand cannot be replaced. So our genome gets shorter each replication. This is known as the end replication problem. Telomeres solve this. As they code for nothing, we can bind it to them without losing essential functions. Think of how shoe soles protect your feet from damage. However, the telomere eventually wears out so much that DNA damage does occur. This activates a protein called p53. It signals the cell to either stop dividing or self-destruct. Scientists theorize this may contribute to aging. Then why can we mend telomeres just like replacing worn-out shoe soles? Well, there is an enzyme for this, telomerase. However, many cells actually need to self-destruct. They accumulate DNA damage over time, making them malfunction and leading to cancer. Telomere shortening removes these cells when they're old enough. As a result, telomerase is normally only present in stem cells, germ cells, and cancer cells. While telomere shortening may contribute to aging, it's worth it considering the cancer risks immortal cells would pose. Our bodies are imperfect and consist of innumerable little compromises like this. But that is what makes life beautiful.